I love your honesty, and the truth is, when we really get down to brass tacks with God, we don't mind if He pulls up something that's ignoble. In other words, not noble. Because guess what? He's the best Father, and He's a real true shepherd. Some of us may not be, but He's a true shepherd, and He is going to bring about a good outcome for that process that was painful in the moment. I had a very good friend of mine who was prophetic and quite a lot of stature, and his motto or kind of dynamic that he worked with was, he says, the Lord doesn't want me to ever bring out the skinning knife. Now, if you're not a hunter, you wouldn't know what that is, but if you're a hunter, you have to skin your animals. And to skin your animals, you use a sharp knife, and so we just call it a skinning knife. It says, and the Lord doesn't want me to get out the skinning knife unless I can heal and restore what had to be dealt with the skinning knife. And so, where did He get that? From the Good Shepherd, who is really good. He's masterful. He's the best at this process.